Hi friends, welcome to REKHA'S RASOI. Here's where we chase flavors. Any auspicious occasion in our Indian household is incomplete without sweet delicacies. And this time what caught my fancy is the coconut ladoo. And I cannot wait to share the making of it with you. To give you a brief, all that you require to make this delicious mouthful is a generous helping of coconut, and depending on the method that you opt for, you can use jaggery or condensed milk or sugar syrup. Today I am going to make it with the condensed milk, and you'll be surprised to see how fast you can prepare this delicacy and serve it to your loved ones. So चलिए रसोई की ओर. Keep the pan on the gas. Now we'll put 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. And then in goes the grated coconut. I have taken fresh coconut. You can take desiccated coconut also, whichever is available in your home. And now we'll roast it for 4 or 5 minutes. You should continue roasting it for 4 to 5 minutes. It will leave an aroma. That's an indication of it being sufficiently roasted. So I think now we'll go to the next step. Now in goes the condensed milk. I'll leave the list of ingredients in the description box. You can check it out from there. Give it all a mix. Now it has started leaving the edges of the pan. So at this time we'll add the milk. This is an optional step. By adding milk, the laddus become softer. At this stage, we'll add some cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it all a mix and we'll continue stirring it. It has started leaving the edge of the pan. Now we'll switch off the gas and take it off. We'll take it off and we'll slightly cool this mixture, and then we'll start making the laddus. We'll grease our hands with ghee or with oil. Take small portion of the mixture and roll it and make it into laddus. Make it into laddus. After you've made these into laddus, you can roll it in the coconut. This is optional, this is just for aesthetic sense. Or you can even decorate it with nuts. Your choice. There you are. Our coconut laddus are all ready. You must try this at home. And as usual, like, share, subscribe to my channel, REKHA'S RASOI. And you know the drill. Until we meet again with another recipe. Bye bye.